Good morning. This is All India Radio Kohima. The morning news are read by Jonas Yantan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will interact with chief ministers of all the states today through video conferencing. During the meeting, the Prime Minister will review the govt situation in the country and take stock of the measures implemented to curb the spread of the infection. Last Sunday, he stressed on the need to ensure adequate health infrastructure at the district level. The Prime Minister also directed intensive containment and active surveillance to continue in clusters, reporting higher cases, and required technical support be provided to states which are reporting higher cases presently. Nagaland's COVID-19 active cases surges to 242 after a massive 199 new positive cases were reported yesterday from 1,277 test results received. This is the single highest day spike reported after the state witnessed minimal positive cases in the past months. Dimapur registered 187 new cases, followed by 10 in Kohima and 2 in Mokokchung. These cases included 161 from returnees or travellers, 36 from self or random test, and 1 each from armed forces and frontline workers. With this, the sample positivity rate jumped from 3.67% to 15.58%. On the other hand, 15 persons have recovered from the infection, which include 14 from Dimapur and 1 in Kohima. The state's total confirmed COVID-19 cases stands at 32,530, while 30,439 have recovered. School Education Advisor Sukhalu yesterday stressed on the need to reduce dropouts in government schools and improve infrastructure and literacy rate. He was addressing the inauguration program of the Katashi town rostrum in Zonopado district. Sukhalu meanwhile called every individual to take care of the rostrum and assured to help the government school in Katashi as and when the state government gets the required resources. MLA Vikehusu appealed to villagers to continue the legacy of Clean Village Recipient and Best Performing Village Council, which they were awarded earlier. In a unique way of celebrating the lives and achievements of women folk, the Zapami village yesterday celebrated Women's Day at a village on the Pek district. The event showcased various cultural display by women folk from the village. Speaking at the event, Deputy Commissioner of Pek, Razavole Dozo, said, "Women folk are the keepers and guardians of the tradition, saying that everything starts from home." Terming the Women's Day celebration as a unique one, he said it has put up an array of culture and traditional showcase having much significance for the youngsters to learn and upkeep the practices for the future generation. Expressing his concern of the dying art of customary practices and traditions, Razavole urged for the need of collective efforts to revive the traditional values for the younger generation. The administrator also called the village council for accountability of public accounts at the village level. The DC further emphasized on the importance of COVID-19 vaccination and following SOPs for the safety of the village. The Soil and Water Conservation Department yesterday signed a memorandum of agreement for transfer of technology on biofertilizers and biopesticide and development of industry incubation systems with the Central Agriculture University, Imphal. Agriculture Production Commissioner Kikedo Sema, who was among the signatories, mentioned that the state government was in need of experts for efficient implementation of economically sustainable farming practices for farmers and conveyed gratitude over the signing of the agreement. As the number of COVID-19 cases are rising fast in several parts of the country, we appeal to our listeners to be vigilant and get fully vaccinated and help others, including children between 15 and 18 years, to get vaccinated. As the new Omicron variant of coronavirus is causing concern, please continue to follow these 3 simple steps to stay safe. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information or guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075 and state helpline number 1800-345-0019. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.